Hey guys, so today I have a sweet, simple, inexpensive wall decor piece to make with you guys. Hey guys, and welcome to my channel where we do DIY projects, crafts, and some organization, but all on a budget. Let's hop into today's video. So, as most of my crafts do, this one started with a trip to the Dollar Tree. I picked up an 8x10 frame, and then I used a scrapbook piece of paper that I already had, as well as a pencil, and I forgot to show, I did use scissors and permanent markers also. I just opened up the frame and I took everything out. Then I used the 8x10 picture that comes in the frame to trace on the scrapbook piece of paper so I had the right size when I was ready to do my project. For this project I'm going to do some writing, so I used my ruler so I had straight lines. Then I just traced on the letters with pencil to make sure I liked how everything sat. After I liked how everything was, I went over with permanent marker and used an eraser to erase all the lines and marks that were made originally. Then I took the picture and I put it back into the frame, obviously with what I wrote next to the glass, but I did include everything that originally came in the frame because I didn't want the frame to be too loose. You could leave it just like this and use it as a whiteboard. Here I have some whiteboard markers and you can see how I write different messages on there for different times, depending on what's going on with life. I think it's really cute to use this as a message board, but you could also just have a cute saying in there. Now we're going to go ahead and decorate the frame a little bit. So I found this necklace that I'm not going to be wearing anymore, and I wanted to kind of accent this a little bit. I was going to use some little like rose material flowers or something, but I couldn't find the ones I thought I had. So I went ahead and I marked here where I want to go ahead and glue the flower. So I'm going to get that glued down, and then I'm going to kind of play with where I want the metal strands. There's also this pearl chain that was attached to it, and I didn't like how thick it was, so I might go ahead and put that in some other places, but I went ahead and I detached it from this area for now. So that's what I'm going to do, is just make sure I like where it's at. I'm going to use hot glue just because I want it to stay right away for me, and I'm going to try not to use too much. I don't like those hot glue spider webby strings that come with hot glue. And here's our final project. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments below if you give it a try. I can't wait to see you guys next time. Bye-bye!